Morning children, once again welcome to online classes. Children, we have completed 2 chapters. Today I will teach you chapter number 3, that is computer network. So let's start.
Networks. Computer network. A computer network is a group of 2 or more computer systems connected to each other. This means that every computer in the network can send information to the others. The main advantage of networking is to share resources such as printers, scanners, disk drives, and CD or DVD drives. Multiple users can communicate among themselves and share data and information. Components of data communication. Message. The message is the information to be communicated. Sender. The sender is the device that sends the data message. Receiver. The receiver is the device that receives the message. Medium. The transmission medium is the physical path by which a message travels from sender to receiver. Types of computer networks. There are many types of computer networks, including local area networks or LANs. The computers are geographically close together, like connected in the same building. For example, network in your computer lab. Wide area networks, WANs. The computers are farther apart and are connected by telephone lines or radio waves. For example, ATMs all over. Metropolitan area networks or MANs. A network designed for a town or city. For example, the cable TV network. Campus area networks or CANs. The computers are within a limited geographic area, such as a campus or military base. For example, an intranet working within IIT. Personal area networks or PAN. It is a computer network used for data transmission amongst devices such as computers, telephones, tablets, and personal digital assistants. For example, printer, fax machines, telephones, scanners, etc. are connected through network. Internet. Internet is a network of networks. It is a global network connecting millions of computers all over the world. Hundreds of countries are linked together via computers to exchange data, news, and opinions. Each internet computer is independent and called a host. It uses existing public telephone and communication networks, including satellites, to relay data between networks using routers. The fastest growing part of the Internet is the World Wide Web. Other parts of the Internet include services such as Gopher, Telnet, and FTP. Concepts. What is network and why is it so important for us? A computer network consists of a collection of computers and other peripheral devices that are connected together, either by wired or wireless connection, so that they can communicate with each other. The computers in the network are known as nodes. Networking is done to share information among the interconnected computers. The best example of computer network is Internet. For example, school computer lab contains a number of computers attached to each other through cables known as LAN, Local Area Network. Advantages of network. The network increases the working capability of people not only in terms of efficiency, but economically also. There are many advantages of networking. Sharing information. Sharing hardware resources such as printers and storage devices. Sharing software resources. Preserving information. Protecting information. Communication. Components of a network. Networking can be achieved in two ways. Wired networking. To implement wired networking, some hardware components are needed. Those are as follows. Network Interface Card. Network Interface Card, or NIC, is also referred to as an Ethernet card and network adapter. It is an expansion card that enables a computer to connect to a network, such as a home network or the Internet, using an Ethernet cable with an RJ45 connector. Networking ports and cables. Network cables are used to connect and transfer data and information between computers, routers, switches, and storage area networks. These cables are essentially the carrier or media through which data flows. The most commonly used is twisted pair cable. Hubs and switches. When a network has more than two computers, we require an interface for connecting and transmitting the data among them. This is achieved through hubs and switches. Each computer on a network is connected to hub or switch through Ethernet cable. Switches and hubs are box-like structures with multiple ports to which computers, printers, and other networking devices are connected. However, nowadays switches are used instead of hubs as they are more effective and provide better performance. Wireless networking. Wireless network refers to two or more computers communicating using standard network rules or protocols. It does not use Ethernet cabling to connect the computers together. Instead, radio signals are used to send information. The components required for wireless networking are Wireless Network Interface Card. It is a network interface controller that connects the computers via wireless radio-based computer network. Nowadays, most PCs and laptops come with wireless network interface card. Routers. It is a networking device that connects two or more networks. They are located at gateways. Its function is to determine the best way for a packet to be forwarded to its destination. Though routers are basically hardware devices, but software-based routers also exist.